lowest, this is the lowest water level in this reservoir because this water is taken out for irrigation to the farm. They already taken out. This is the lowest level. They can't take it anymore out. So 5 meter deep. And one is the highest. It will be about 15 meter highest level. So there will be 10 meter more when the rain comes. But dry zone normally receive very less rainfall, especially this year. Every farmer complaining about the less rainfall here. Until today, the dry zone did not receive very good rainfall yet. While people in Yangon are complaining about heavy rains there, but here no rain yet. So such different condition. Heavy rain, flooded in mountain areas of the country, and less rain, very dry, very less rain, even for farming and irrigation, big problem in dry zone. Such a different context regarding the rainfall.